In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access for Manage Hostinger account. Hostinger Tutorial 2026. By the end, you'll confidently share just the right level of access with a manager while keeping your account secure. Start by signing into your Hostinger account. Look to the top right corner of your dashboard for the small profile picture icon. Click it to open your account options. In this menu, find Account Sharing, the one with the share icon, and open it. This page has two sections, Request Access and Grant Access. Today, we're focusing on Grant Access, so select that, then click the Grant Access button to begin. You'll first be asked for the person's email address. Enter the email of the manager you want to invite. Make sure it's accurate. Hostinger will send an invitation to this address. If they don't already have a Hostinger account, they'll be prompted to create one using that email before they can accept the invite. Next, choose the access level. You can allow managed services, which lets them handle day-to-day tasks like site settings, backups, and DNS edits, or manage services and make purchases using added payment method. That second option also permits buying services charged to payment methods you've already saved. Only enable purchase permissions if you fully trust the person and want them to handle renewals or upgrades. They won't see your full payment details, but they can place orders that bill your saved method. Now select which services they can manage. You'll see your hosting plan and any domains listed. You can share just the hosting, just a domain, or everything by choosing Select All. If you only want them to manage the website files and settings, pick the hosting plan. If you want them to handle domain settings like DNS or name servers, include the domain as well. You'll also see an option to allow setting up pending orders. Turn this on if you want your manager to finalize any in-progress purchases or plan changes that are already queued. If you prefer to approve orders yourself, leave it off. Review your choices carefully. When everything looks right, click Grant Access. Hostinger will send the invitation to your manager's email. Once they accept, they'll appear in your account sharing list with the exact permissions and services you selected. If you ever need to change or remove access, return to account sharing to adjust the permissions, update which services are shared, or revoke access entirely. For best security, follow the principle of least privilege. Grant only what's needed. That's it. You've successfully granted manager access on Hostinger.